Hey everyone, here's how to buy futures on Interactive Brokers. First step is enabling futures trading permissions. Log into your Interactive Brokers client portal, then click the user menu that's the head and shoulders icon in the top right corner. From there, click Settings, then Trading Permissions. You'll see the Trading Permissions page listing all your eligible products. Now click the Request button under Futures. A request form will pop up. You may need to provide your signature electronically to confirm you've read and understood the requirements. If Interactive Brokers finds you're not eligible based on your financial profile, a warning message will appear. You can update your profile information if your experience has changed. Once you submit, approval may take some time. After your permissions are approved, open Trader Workstation, that's TWS, from your desktop. The first time you log in, you'll be asked to choose a workspace template. The Mosaic template is recommended for most traders. Next, add the futures contract you want to trade to your watch list. Click in an empty watch list row, type the future symbol, and hit Enter. A drop-down list appears showing available futures contracts. From the Contract Selection menu, choose the specific contract you want. Click on the exchange where you'd like to trade, then press Enter. The contract will be added to your watch list with live pricing. Now, click on that contract in your watch list to open the Order Entry panel. The panel typically displays on the right side with your selected futures contract and default parameters. Time to configure your order. Use the Order Type dropdown to select your order type, market, limit, or whichever you prefer. Click in the quantity field and enter how many contracts you want to trade. If you're using a limit order, specify your price. You can also adjust the time and force settings from the dropdown. Each field updates as you enter values. Before submitting, you can check your margin requirements. Click the drop-down arrow on the Buy or Sell button and select the option to check margin. A pop-up should show the capital required for your trade. When you're ready, click the Buy button to go long or the Sell button to go short. The order transmits to the exchange, and you'll see it appear in your orders panel with a status of submitted or filled. After your order fills, you can monitor your position in the Portfolio or Positions panel. To close the position later, just place the opposite order, Sell to close a long position, or Buy to close a short position. Keep an eye on your contract's expiration date to avoid physical delivery if that applies to the contract you're trading. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.